Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to add data packs to Aternos. So let's get started. So if you want to add a data pack to your Aternos account, what you can do is just open up a browser. You can select any browser that you like. So I'm here with my Chrome browser, and inside your Chrome browser you can search for Aternos. After searching for Aternos, you will come up to this page where you can tap on this option which says login or sign up. So just tap on that, and after tapping on that you have to log in into your account. So I have already logged into my account. So after logging into your account you just have to tap on the settings, and then you will come up to this page where you have to tap on world, which is on the left side of your screen. So just tap on worlds, and inside your world you will find this option, and beside that option you can find files. So just tap on files, and inside that files you will find data packs. So just tap on data pack, or just select the data pack and then tap on upload. So after uploading, so by tapping on upload and after tapping on files, you will come up to this page, and over this page what you have to do is you can find this option which says data packs. So you just have to download the data pack, and after downloading the data pack, now what you can do is just tap on upload and then tap on folders and just select a data pack that you have just downloaded. And after selecting that data pack, you just have to tap on upload, and after tapping on upload you will successfully upload that data pack. So just select a data pack that you have. After selecting that, just tap on upload and you will successfully upload a data pack. So that's it guys, this is how to add a data pack in your Aterverse. So that's it guys, this is how to add a data pack to your Aternos account. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.